Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and
I'm Abhijit.
you're welcome to our channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today's video is going to be about what's inside our camera bag. So this includes the camera and lenses which we have in our camera bag along with a few accessories. Also in this video we have a special appearance of my friend Navneet who helped us in choosing one of the cameras and lenses. And I would like to answer one more frequently asked questions, that is about the video shooting and editing. So my husband Abhijit shoots the videos when I'm cooking and we both edit them. So we have our activities divided. So majority of the editing is done by me, but the final touches and uploading of the video is done by him. Also we shoot a lot of pictures for one thumbnail, and finally we together choose what should be our thumbnail and he's the one who edits them. Now we'll quickly show you what's in our camera bag.
So this is our camera bag. This has one main compartment and there are multiple sections which can be adjusted according to your need. It has a velcro and you can see all the lenses, camera and the cleaning stuff that we use regularly. This bag has a special compartment or a section to carry your tripod around, and you can see how well it fits in. So this is the very first camera that we started our shoots with. So this is Canon 550D. This is almost 10 years old now. This is a good camera, though it lacks some features which are good to have, or would help in video production. So we normally use this with 18 to 55mm lens. After using 550D for a while, we decided to upgrade our camera and we recently bought Canon 80D. Our friend Navneet helped us choose this camera based on our needs. He has also explained why he suggested this model in further section of this video. So this is the main and only camera that we use for all our shooting on the Terrace Kitchen and home and much more.
When Priyanka and Abhijit reached out to me for an advice on which camera to upgrade to and wanted to know my recommendation, the first question I asked them was what's their budget. You know why? There's nothing like the best camera in the market. It all depends on what is your budget and what are your requirements and what's best for you. So I would recommend this to you guys as well, that think about your budget and requirement. Divide the requirements into two categories: must-haves and nice-to-haves. Must-have are all the features that Abhijit and Priyanka cannot miss. Features like better picture quality, great autofocus capabilities, ability to shoot in HD at 24, 30 and 60 fps, and it should also be good for stills and photographs. And nice to have things could be anything like ability to shoot in 120 or 240 fps in HD. And they also mentioned that they want to stick to Canon because they had been using Canon 550D for a few years now and are pretty familiar with its functions and menus. So based on their must-have requirements, three options came to my mind: Canon 5D Mark III, Canon 6D Mark II and Canon 80D. As mentioned previously, based on their cost and budget, first two options were not feasible, so we did not waste too much time doing research on those. It was ticking all the boxes for them, like better sensor, 24 megapixel CMOS sensor. The touchscreen is an absolute pleasure for selecting the focus points, and dual pixel autofocus, and it comes with a weather resistant body. And being a Canon DSLR camera, it is compatible with Canon's EF and EFS mount, which has the biggest collection of affordable lenses. So because of all these features and it was fitting their budget, I recommended this camera to Abhijit and Priyanka.
This is Canon 50mm 1.8 lens. We use this for low light conditions mostly. This one is 10 to 18mm lens that we bought along with 80D. This is useful capturing wide angle shots and we mostly use it for vlogging videos. Next is 550 to 250mm kit lens that came along with 550D. This helps capturing tight zoomed in shots with blurred background. This is another kit lens 18 to 55mm that came bundled with 550D. Though these kit lenses are not the best lenses in the market, they are very good options to start with. You can certainly think of upgrading to a better lens after gaining some experience with these kit lenses. which we did by getting an 18-135 lens when we bought 80D. Even though this is a kit lens, I feel performance wise this is much better than the kit lenses that came with 550D. To protect the lens, we use a UV filter that screws over it. Next is this tripod from Benro that came with a ball head. Ball heads are beneficial in still photography as you can lock your camera in any position with ease. However, they cannot be used for pan or tilt video shots. That is the reason we decided to replace the ball head with a fluid drag head. We bought this Manfrotto fluid head which does its job perfectly. You can see how smoothly it moves without any jerks. We are using this tripod regularly for all our shoots and we are very happy with it. It is lightweight and it is travel friendly as well. We have tried a number of options for audio and have finally settled on Rode Wireless Go. This is compact and records crisp sound. This is Rode Video Micro Directional Microphone. We use this to record ambient audio for our vlogs. To take care of our gear, we use a few tools like this air blower to blow any loose dust particles. Next step is to brush the lens gently to get rid of all dust particles. Finally, cleaning the glass with a microfiber end of the tool or using a microfiber cloth. There are some other accessories like this infrared remote, wireless shutter release, a slow battery charger, and some high capacity rechargeable batteries that share some space in our camera bag. And obviously camera chargers and cables share some space too. We use a normal earphone to monitor audio levels. And carry a continuous video light and a flashlight as it may be required at times. A small plastic box to carry memory cards, and a small notebook and pen to take any notes.
And now it's me, Priyanka. Let me quickly show you the camera bag. So this is what it looks like. So it has a lot of stuff where you can hang your small accessories, water bottles and similar stuff. And inside, as Abhijit mentioned, there is one compartment with different sections and the partitions come off. So you can adjust, use some, remove some, or adjust according to your convenience or the stuff you want to keep inside this bag. On one of its sides, it has a section where you can keep your water bottle or water packet. If you have a long straw, you wouldn't even need to take the bag out to drink water. And this side is for tripod, as Abhijit mentioned and you too would have seen at the beginning of this video. This section, this comes off like this. And you can carry this individual unit as a bag. So it has two drawstrings which you can pull and then it has two handles. You can carry it like this. And below down it has got a rain cover, so it's attached, it doesn't come off, it's not detachable. But it's very easy, you just need to wrap your bag inside it and you can hang it on you can carry it on your shoulders and it stays weatherproof. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Enjoy, bye bye. Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka.
And I'm Abhijit.
Stop करो, मुझे बहुत हंसी आ रही है everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and
I'm Abhijit.
And you're welcome to our channel, The Terrace Kitchen.
The Terrace Kitchen.
बंद करो यार.